Be2 plus infinitive. I'm to do, future perfect. I will have done. You are to do your homework before you can go out.
But mother, I have to go for my tennis class. By 8, I will have done my homework.
Will you have finished your work by the time dinner is ready?
Yes, Mom. Do you think Father will have arrived from the office by 9 p.m. tonight?
Yes, I think so.
Mr. Roy is to visit our house at 10 p.m. tonight. His meeting with Father is to discuss some business plans.
I shall have finished my work by then. In the dialogues, we find the verbs in be, to plus base form, and future perfect tense to speak about official plans and arrangements and to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time respectively. Here are some sentences with verbs in, be, to plus infinitives, and in future perfect tense. You are to do your homework before we can go out. By 8, I will have done my homework. Will you have finished your work by the time dinner is ready? Do you think Father will have arrived from the office by 9 p.m. tonight? Mr. Roy is to visit our house at 10 p.m. tonight. His meeting with Father is to discuss some business plans. I shall have finished my work by then. Usage. We use be plus to plus base form to talk about official plans and arrangements. It is used in a formal style, often in news reports. Be is usually left out in headlines. The future perfect expresses the idea that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. Let us look at a few sentences. You will have heard about the downfall of the Junta government. I shall have finished writing this book by the end of the next month. The Prime Minister is to visit America next month. In the first and second sentences, will have heard and shall have finished are future perfect tense as they spoke about actions that will complete at some time in the future. In the last sentence, is to visit is used in a formal style as be2 plus base form to talk about official plan. Here are few more examples. You want to spend 10 years in Europe. By that time, you will have visited every major city then. In 2020, they will have worked here for 20 years. We are to receive a pay rise in line with inflation in September. The Ministry of Trade and Industry has announced that it is to move 3,000 jobs out of the capital and relocate them in the northeast.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.